Namaskar, good evening. You're watching the News Hour Agenda and I'm Swati Joshi. In a massive development, the zonal director of NCB, Sameer Wankhede, has been pulled out of the controversial drug bust case. Aryan Khan's case, along with 5 others, have been transferred to the central unit of the agency. While Sameer Wankhede says that he had filed a writ petition in the Bombay High Court seeking transfer of the cases himself, Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik has claimed vindication, calling this just the beginning. We in fact spoke to the zonal director Sameer Wankhede. Listen in to what he had to say.
ये जो केसेस हैं ये सारे मतलब आर्यन और टोटल कितने केसेस हैं सर?
आर्यन खान केस, समीर खान केस, अनुज केशवानी अपना करण सजनानी केस, ये जो गांजा 194 केजी गांजा अंजा है.
जी जी.
This case has been monitored by a very senior IPS officer from Delhi, Sanjay Singh sir.
Okay,
I'm
sir.
still the zonal director and I was never the eye of the case जो मेरे से छीनवीन लिया गया.
अच्छा अच्छा.
I'm just a zonal director मुंबई, with जो हमारे जोन में केस बुक हुआ था तो I am the supervisory officer. अभी
Okay,
यहाँ
sir.
पर अभी the case has been transferred to Delhi. सेम मेरा जो पहले योगदान था अभी भी योगदान रहेगा. क्या मीडिया चला रही है, डोंट अंडरस्टैंड.
ओके सर. तो इसकी डिमांड तो सर आपने भी किया था ना एक बार की.
रिट पिटीशन, या रिट पिटीशन एट फाइल एनी सेंट्रल इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी शुड आइदर एनआई, सीबीआई और एनी.
ठीक है सर. थैंक यू सर.
Well, we have Megha and Siddhant joining us on the broadcast. Megha, Sameer Wankhede takes objection to the word removed or pulled out of the probe, says he's just the zonal director and he continues to be that.
It clearly says that the investigation in all the 6 cases that he was just mentioning in the phone conversation, the 3 important ones, in fact, the most important one of Aryan Khan in that, and also of the son-in-law of Nawab Malik. But then Aryan Khan, that is where the problem started for Sameer Wankhede, and that case goes out of his jurisdiction. He no longer will be part of the probe team. He will no longer be supervising those cases. So what he's trying to do in that phone conversation is to just put out a very, very lame excuse to say that, well, I continue to be here and I don't know what the media is making a big hullabaloo about. Well, the hullabaloo is about the fact that you were heading that probe and you will not be heading that probe anymore. As simple as that. And that is what the NCB says in its statement. Those cases go out directly to the headquarters of the NCB, to an officer who was serving here in the Delhi headquarters of the NCB. He's now been told to go to Mumbai and stay put there and finish the probe in all of these cases. This is going to be an investigation to be done by an officer who does not belong to the Mumbai unit. He's being sent there and Sameer Wankhede will be kept out of these investigations. That is the story. No matter how much he would want to give a twist and tweak it around, the fact remains this. And this is where the story is. He's out of those investigations. Right. And also, let's not forget, Swati, that the vigilance inquiry against him is still on.
Absolutely. The vigilance inquiry against Sameer Wankhede is on, Siddhant, and all of this after several serious allegations were leveled against him, one by the independent witness and the other set of allegations by Nawab Malik.
Well, that's correct. Mr. Wankhede and his entire team is currently being grilled by the vigilance teams, and we've also been told that Ashish Ranjan Prasad, one of the IUs of the case, was in Delhi on 2nd and 3rd of October and was grilled by Gyaneshwar Singh's vigilance team. But adding on to what Megha has said just now, what I have managed to speak to officers in NCB, they are calling this a new sport, new experiment in NCB, where the cases which are linked to international cartels, people settled abroad, those cases have been picked up, especially Aryan Khan's case and Nawab Malik's son-in-law's case. And since Sanjay Singh also happens to be DDG Ops, IG rank officer, right. So all these cases have been given to his team. Tomorrow, all the IOs of the case at Mumbai unit have been asked to be prepared with the case-related file, and at around 12 noon in the afternoon, right. Sanjay Singh's team will take over the cases.
All right, Siddhant and Megha, thank you very much for getting us those details.
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Well, the big question is, will politics over this issue, over probe, end now? Let's take that across to our guests. We're joined by Sanju Verma, BJP spokesperson. We have senior lawyer Swapnil Kothari on the panel with us, Sanjay Gupta, Shiv Sena leader joins us along with Kapil Madan, lawyer, and Brij Mohan Srivastav, NCP spokesperson. Good evening to all of you. Sanju Verma, Nawab Malik claims vindication, says this is just the beginning.
You know, Swati, the fact remains that Samir Wankhede today continues to be the zonal director of NCB in Mumbai. Yet, he has been taken off some high-profile cases. But I think nobody should have a problem with that because the anti-Samir Wankhede lobby has all this while been saying that Caesar's wife should be above suspicion. And if even there is a hint of conflict of interest, then the man heading the probe in high-profile cases should be somebody other than Samir Wankhede. So I think if there are 5 or 6 other officers who will be part of an SIT team that will take over some of these fresh cases starting coming Monday, why should there be any outrage?
But because let's not overlook the fact that several serious allegations were leveled against him.
Okay, Swati, I'm coming to that. Several allegations were leveled against him by whom? By
Independent
Nawab Malik.
witness. Also the independent witness.
You know, Swati, let me finish. You cannot interrupt me when I'm making my point.
No, you said by whom. So I was just adding to the point that one of them is an independent witness.
Finish. Yes, so I was making a point. Let me complete. Don't interrupt me. Samir Wankhede's basic problem is with Nawab Malik. I think the problem is from Nawab Malik's end, and the reason is amply clear. Nawab Malik's son-in-law, Samir Khan, was in prison for 9 months on charges of consumption, sale, and peddling drugs. Samir Khan is only out on bail. The charges against Samir Khan still hold good. So if anybody has a conflict of interest here, I dare say it is not Samir Wankhede. It is Nawab Malik who should resign from any senior position with it.
Okay, even that case has been transferred to the central unit. Brij Mohan Srivastav, Sanju Verma says it is not a big deal.
Swati, 10 seconds. If you are saying Samir Wankhede should be removed from high-profile cases because he has a conflict of interest, by the same logic, Nawab Malik, please step down because your son-in-law is involved in drug peddling case. You also suffer from conflict of interest.
Okay, Nawab Malik also suffers from conflict of interest, so even he should step down because his son-in-law was behind the bars. He is also being investigated in this matter. Mr. Srivastav, respond to that.
Swati ji, whenever we are raising question against the corruption of the officers in the BJP-run drug extortion mafia, these BJP people always take a stand and they take a stand just to protect the drug mafias and the drug peddlers and the officers who are corrupt and extorting money from the common people. So I am not reacting anything on the Sanju Verma ji because she's his party. Her party is the doing extortion, and it is a fact to each and everyone. Why the NCB officers has taken this decision?
But Mr. Srivastav,
we have not raised, madam, one thing, please, Swati ji. We have not asked any moment to remove Samir Wankhede ji from the inquiry. We have not spoken this thing to the NCB. The NCB officers has taken this decision because they found something. I am sure they found something, and now they are convinced also with our
Mr. Srivastav, let's not forget, Brij Mohan Srivastav ji, let's not forget, Samir Wankhede says that he in fact filed a writ petition in the Bombay High Court that he himself was seeking transfer to the central unit.
Madam, to whom he is giving bluff. There is no need to file any application in the High Court. Right forum is the NCB. He is serving with the NCB. He is not in part of the High Court. If he thinks that he is an honest officer, why he has not gone to the director of?
But he met the DDG. We don't know what the interaction was all about. But he did meet the DDG. He did meet the DDG of the NCB. We don't know what the interaction was all about. Swapnil Kothari, Mr. Srivastav says this is a bluff. Why even file a writ petition in the Bombay High Court? You could have spoken to your seniors and made your case.
Well, that's where the legal point comes in, Swati, that the High Court has a suo motu power. Also, of course, on an application by an officer of an agency such as the NCB here to transfer the case to any central agency, just as the Supreme Court does even have a suo motu power of its own. So here, in fact, an application has been made. So the very fact that he made an application is very clear that he wanted certain, cases to be probed by a central agency, simply because if these cases have some international ramifications, or if there is an international linkage of some sort, he does not want to be told tomorrow that you exceeded your jurisdiction, and his probe is negatived on a technical point, on a jurisdictional aspect. So it's very simple. So that could be one of the points. The other point is that usually, I would want your viewers to consider, Swati, is that if one is an upright officer, then one wishes best that, if there is a lot of muckraking, a mudslinging, my marriage, my second marriage, my birth certificate, my parentage, all of those things which have got nothing to do with the investigation are being brought at the fore. It should be drugs investigation which is at the fore, not the officer. So that's where I believe that, one of the points is that let's best walk away from this and let another independent officer do it. That's another angle to it. The third angle, and the most important angle here, is that it is very, very appropriate that if I am considered to be one of the witch hunters, if I have only Bollywood as my target, if I'm seeking some 15 minutes of fame, then let me walk away from that fame totally.
ओके संजय गुप्ता, स्वप्निल कोठारी ये कह रहे हैं कि ये आप इसको ऐसे मत देखिए कि समीर वानखेड़े को केस से निकाल दिया गया है, ये जुरिस्डिक्शन का मामला आगे चल करके हो सकता था, टेक्निकल पॉइंट उठाए जा सकते थे, एक तो इसीलिए भी सेंट्रल टीम को दे दिया गया, दूसरा अगर आप पहले से ही कह रहे हैं कि वो दागी है, ये आपके आरोप हैं, तो अच्छी बात है वो हट गए।
नहीं देखिए स्वाति जी, ये एक बहुत ही माइनर सा एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव चेंजेस हैं। ऑफिसर्स ड्यूटीज में जब भी किसी ऑफिसर्स पर पर्सनली तौर पर इस तरह के एलिगेशन लगते हैं तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन उस मामले को देखते हुए उस केसों से उस ऑफिसर को थोड़ा सा अलग कर देता है। तो ये जस्ट मामूली सा चेंजेस है, ये कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है।
सर ये नवाब मलिक को बताइए ना, वो तो ट्वीट करके कह रहे हैं दिस इज जस्ट द बिगिनिंग, 26 और मामले हैं जिनमें एक्शन होगा, तो ये माइनर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव चेंज वाला आप भी एक ट्वीट कर दीजिए और नवाब मलिक जी को टैग कर दीजिए।
संजू वर्मा जी डर क्यों रही हैं? शुरुआत तो संजू वर्मा जी को डरने की क्या जरूरत है? इसमें तो कोई, ये तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन चेंजेस है, इसमें किसी भी तरह की कोई डरने का, किसी भी तरह की कोई बात करने की कोई बात है नहीं।
ये आपके एलाय हैं, आपके एलाय कह रहे हैं कि ये तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव चेंजेस है, इतना अशांत होने की जरूरत नहीं है। राइट आफ्टर मिस्टर श्रीवास्तव,
हम लोग तो शुरू से कह रहे हैं ये शुरुआत है, और जब भी हम लोग किसी भ्रष्ट अधिकारी के खिलाफ आवाज उठाते हैं, खासतौर से वो जो ड्रग एक्सटॉर्शन में लगा हुआ है, तो बीजेपी के नेताओं को इतनी तकलीफ होती है। जैसे ही हमने कहा,
अरे लेकिन आपके एलाय कह रहे हैं एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव चेंजेस है, माइनर चेंजेस हैं।
समीर वानखेड़े के पीछे ऐसे खड़े हो जाते हैं ताकत के साथ, जैसे कि वो उनके घर का मेंबर हो, जैसे कि उनकी हिस्सेदारी हो। हम कहते हैं कि भाई हिंदुस्तान में 3000 किलो,
ठीक है आप बच रहे हैं, आप संजय गुप्ता को जवाब देने से आप बच रहे हैं, बट संजू वर्मा वांट्स टू कम इन।
मैं संजय गुप्ता जी की बात को एक्सेप्ट कर रहा हूं, मैंने कब कहा? हम लोग तो पहले दिन से इस बात को कह रहे हैं।
तो फिर आप ये क्यों कह रहे हैं कि नहीं, तो फिर आप नहीं, नवाब मलिक साहब का ट्वीट देखिए, नवाब मलिक साहब का ट्वीट देखिए। मिस्टर मदान, आई विल कम टू यू, just give me a minute. Sanju Verma's quick response, then I'll come to you.
It is a beginning. It's a fact. It is a beginning.
Okay, now I will have to.
What's wrong in it?
I did not heckle you, Swati. I did not heckle anybody. Please let me have my say. यहाँ डरने डराने की बात नहीं है। ऑपोजिशन की आज ये हालत है, खिसियानी की खंबा नोचे।
संजू वर्मा जी जरा खुल के कहिए आप।
हमने जैसे समीर वानखेड़े
आप बहुत कुछ बोल चुके हैं, बोल चुके हैं।
अभी सुन लीजिए जरा, जवाब ले लीजिए। मिस्टर श्रीवास्तव, मिस्टर गुप्ता एक जवाब ले लीजिए, और अभी मदान साहब ने अभी तक अपनी बात रखी भी नहीं है। संजू वर्मा,
आप डरने डराने की बात करते हो, जवाब सुनने की आप में हिम्मत नहीं है। अभी ध्यान से जवाब सुनिए, हिम्मत में तो ना खाऊंगा ना खाने दूंगा।
जवाब देंगी आप, सुन तो लिया आपका जवाब। शुरू में आपने इतनी सारी बातें कही, कौन सी बात है जो आपने छोड़ दी?
समीर वानखेड़े
सब कुछ तो कह दिया आपने, रह क्या गया?
ये तय करने वाले आप कौन हो? न्याय कानून है।
आप इतना जोर क्यों लगा रही हैं? ठीक है, सही होंगे तो सही होंगे, इसमें आपका इतना जोर लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है।
लगाए हैं नवाब मलिक के खिलाफ, तो सिर्फ चार्जेस समीर वानखेड़े के खिलाफ लगे नहीं है,
उन्होंने
नवाब मलिक के खिलाफ। नवाब मलिक कब इस्तीफा देंगे?
हमारे संविधान में जांच मांगते हैं हर चीजें,
मैं
सब चीजें मैटर ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन है।
एनसीपी मुंबई, नवाब मलिक अपना इस्तीफा कब देंगे?
ठीक है, संजू वर्मा कह रही है कि कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट there is a conflict of interest. When will Nawab Malik step down? Since his son-in-law was also arrested, put behind bars, and is being interrogated, investigated rather. Okay. When will Nawab Malik step down? That's the question BJP is asking. I want to bring Mr. Madan now. Mr. Madan, you've already witnessed there's a lot of politics happening on the issue right from day one, ever since Aryan Khan was arrested. Now, Mr. Gupta is saying that these are minor administrative changes, but Nawab Malik in his first response has said that this is just the beginning. A lot more has to be done to clean this system, and we will do it. He's not looking at it as a minor change. He's saying the system is being cleaned.
So, Swati ji, let us see what is the object of any investigation. For any investigation, quest of truth is the ultimate object of any investigation. And what we are saying, there are serious allegations of extortion against Mr. Wankhede. At the same time, the NDPS investigation against Mr. Aryan Khan is also a serious matter. All we are saying is that you should have a free, impartial, unbiased probe. There should be transparency in the probe. And if Sameer Wankhede, who is also alleged to have committed an act of extortion, if he continues to remain as a head of or as a part of the team that is investigating the same case where the demand of extortion was made, you can't expect a fair investigation at that. So I think it is a welcome step where Mr. Wankhede has been moved. I don't know whether he has been removed from NCB or, he has just been removed from this particular team who was investigating. But I feel to ensure that there should be a fair investigation, because there is a legal principle that says that justice should not only be done, it should be, seems to have been done.
Okay.
So,
but if you say that, then Mr. Madan, are you saying that this is indicative of a verdict on the allegations that is facing this decision? Are you saying that?
Well, it is indicative. As per me, it indicates that the allegation of extortion are serious in nature. That's precisely the reason why Mr. Wankhede has been transferred from or removed from this particular team who is investigating. Otherwise, if you had no iota of truth in the allegations of extortion, why would you remove an officer? I mean, you simply can't. Otherwise, people will make allegation against any officer and you keep on removing the officer. I mean, the police investigation system doesn't work that way.
संजय गुप्ता जी, कैसे सच और झूठ से लेने देना नहीं है? कोई तो आरोप लगा रहा है, किसी के खिलाफ तो आरोप लग रहा है, कोई तो सच्चा आरोप लगा रहा है या तो फिर झूठ बोल रहा है. सच झूठ से कैसे लेना देना नहीं है? एक मिनट संजय गुप्ता जी, जरा सच और झूठ की बात अपनी कह दें.
समीर वानखेड़े जी को केस से जो हटाया गया, मैंने इसके विषय में कहा, एलिगेशन सच्चे हैं झूठे हैं, दैट इज ए मैटर ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन. इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बाद ही पता चलता है कि किस में क्या सच्चा है क्या नहीं है. लेकिन किसी भी केस से किसी भी ऑफिसर को हटाना वो एक बहुत ही माइनर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव चेंजेस होता है. संजू वर्मा जी तो इतना परेशान हो रही है, पता नहीं कौन से शब्द बताना चाहती हैं ये इस मामले में. तो बहुत कुछ इन्होंने कहा, लेकिन
संजू वर्मा जी क्यों परेशान होंगी? आप क्या एंगल सामने लाना चाह रहे हैं? वो क्यों परेशान होंगी?
मेरा से लेना देना है भाई. आप मेरे
नहीं, वो जितने स्ट्रांगली तरीके से समीर वानखेड़े जी की बात को रख रहे हैं, तो इतने स्ट्रांगली तरीके से उनकी बात को रखने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के एक ऑफिसर है वो और एनसीबी डिपार्टमेंट के जोनल डायरेक्टर हैं. आप इतना स्ट्रांगली क्यों उनको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, मुझे ये बताइए.
आपको इतनी तकलीफ क्यों?
आप कैसे कह सकते हैं कि वो सही है गलत है? आप नहीं कह सकते.
नहीं संजय गुप्ता जी, फिर आपसे सवाल ये पूछा जाएगा कि अगर ये माइनर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव चेंजेस हैं, तो नवाब मलिक साहब इतना सीरियसली क्यों रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हैं? नवाब मलिक साहब क्यों इतना सीरियसली रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हैं इस पर? ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव चेंजेस हैं.
बड़ा सीरियसली इसको रिस्पॉन्ड कर रही हैं.
आप बच रहे हैं, आप नवाब मलिक की बात करने से बचते हैं. ब्रिजमोहन श्रीवास्तव जी आपकी बात करने से बचते हैं, तो संजू वर्मा जी के पास ही चल लेते हैं, वही खुल के एक अपनी बात कर रही हैं. गो अहेड.
ठीक है, थैंक यू स्वाति. स्वाति
बहुत कुछ कह चुके हैं, उनकी बात खत्म ही नहीं हो रही. पता नहीं क्या कहना चाहती है वो.
आप सुनिए.
अब प्लीज आप बोलिए, अभी सुनिए. स्वाति, व्हाट
बोलिए, आप बोल लीजिए. क्या रह गया बोलने के लिए, यही बता दीजिए. ऐसा क्या स्पेशल कहने वाली है आप?
संजय जी प्लीज थोड़ा सा उनको अपनी बात रखने दीजिए.
बताइए ना आप.
नहीं, उनको रखने तो दीजिए अपनी बात, उनको बोलने तो दीजिए. पहले ही अनुमान लगा रहे हैं उनके पास कुछ नहीं है बोलने के लिए. लेट अस स्पीक.
रखिए.
ठीक है, थैंक यू मिस्टर गुप्ता।
एक्शन हुआ है वो दिख रहा है कि क्या एक्शन हुआ है, तो हम समझते नहीं कि एक्शन जो है उसकी वैल्यू क्या है, हम समझते हैं इस बात को।
प्लीज कीप क्वाइट।
परेशान मत होइए आप इतना।
डोंट स्वाति, either you moderate this debate, allow this man to
संजू आप बोलिए, संजू प्लीज गो अहेड।
Yeah, the problem is that there is a famous saying, damned if you do, damned if you don't. अब तक जो लोग कहते थे समीर वानखेड़े को हाई प्रोफाइल केसेस से हटाओ, अब इनको तकलीफ है कि भाई हाई प्रोफाइल केसेस से हटा क्यों दिया गया, मतलब चिट भी मेरी पट भी मेरा, आपका वो हाल है।
कोई तकलीफ नहीं है ना, पहले थी ना आज है।
महाराष्ट्र, it is the शिवसेना, NCP and Congress. Even today,
हमको कोई तकलीफ ना पहले थी ना आज है।
TikTok star Pooja Chavan died in mysterious circumstances. She leveled rape charges before committing suicide. Apparently, against Sanjay Rathod,
आप शाबाशी देती हैं।
शिवसेना मिनिस्टर संजय राठौड़, who had to step down. इसलिए यहाँ
ठीक है आर्यन, let's come back to this. Swapnil Kothari, you heard Kapil Madan as well. He's saying this is
Sanjay Rathod.
Yes, he's saying that these allegations are very serious in nature. Okay, which is indicative that. Okay, one second. Let's come back to the issue. Swapnil Kothari, please go ahead.
Yes, one of the things is
Gupta साहब please, आप
one of the
derail कर रहे हैं debate को थोड़ा.
Yes, exactly. Swati, one of the comments which was made by Mr. Madan is that justice is not to be only to be done, but it also is to be seen to be done. Now that applies to the judiciary, not to the investigating officers at all. Investigating officers are bound to go one way or the other, and that's the reason why you have the judiciary. I'm not saying that the NCB investigating officer has gone the other way. All I am trying to say is that the allegations are there. They will be investigated in their own manner, the way the CVC is investigating. I will tell you to be objective on one side. I have presented one side earlier. I'll present to you the other side as well. That it is not exactly so open or so objective that it is only a technical aspect of, the center having a more say or a wider reach. There is definitely something in the sense that somewhere Mr. Wankhede possibly himself also feels that it's best for me to walk away. Maybe because I have, not done it in the best, as far as that witnesses were concerned. But then that issue has not been raised by the High Court. So, but be that as it may, it's best that this move is a welcome move, in my opinion, Swati. It's best for any investigating officer to walk away from this sort of mudslinging and politicking, and God only knows what is happening behind the scenes.
Okay, you're saying that
is the
thing,
aspect. Because it's gone to the family, Swati. It's gone to the family.
Personal. Yes, personal jibes.
Exactly, and I don't like that. I don't like
personal jibes were taken at Sameer Wankhede, but you're saying one way of looking at it is that he has walked away from all of this. If anyways there were serious allegations leveled against him, it's better that he walks off. The other perspective is that he's not walked off. These cases have been transferred to the central unit. I want to bring in Mr. Madan here. Mr. Madan here, Sameer Wankhede says, I'm still the zonal director. I'll continue to do the work that I've been doing. And if what you were saying earlier is indicative of a verdict, then why not stop him from conducting any investigation, heading any case at all? That's not the case.
Well, as I said earlier, that, the allegation against Mr. Wankhede is also at a very nascent stage, and I am given to understand that there is an inquiry that is happening. So till the time the inquiry is concluded, you have the result of that inquiry that will show whether any misdeeds were committed by Mr. Wankhede, or if a clean chit has been given. I think at that point in time you will be able to have more clarity, and this question can be answered. However, at this point in time, as Swapnil ji also said, that there should be a fair investigation, and to ensure that there should be a fair investigation, Mr. Wankhede should step aside, and this is exactly what has been done by NCB.
No. Swati, can I please?
Okay, quickly before I wrap up. Yes, Sanju Verma, quickly.
There's a press release by the NCB. I'm just reading out what Sanjay Kumar Singh, Deputy Director General Operations, has said in an NCB press release dated today. It's a long thing, but I will read out the key things. He says no officer or officers have been removed, and removed has been highlighted in capital from their present roles, and they will continue to assist the operations branch investigation as required until any specific orders are issued to the contrary. It is reiterated that the NCB functions across India as a single integrated agency. That is Sanjay Singh, Deputy Director of NCB. So please stop making wild guesses that Samir Wankhede has been removed. I have read out the press release to you.
Okay.
And the press release is the most authentic document at this stage. So let us not make wild
that's all the time I have. That's all the time I have.
Thank you very much, Sanju.
Okay, so you're saying that he has not been removed. Samir Wankhede says I filed a petition seeking this transfer, and Nawab Malik is claiming vindication. We'll have to wait to see how things unfold as the central team takes over the probe and as the investigation moves forward. For the moment, thank you very much, Sanju Verma, Swapnil Kothari, Sanjay Gupta ji, and Kapil Madan for joining us on the broadcast.